Showerhead clog. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of unclogging a showerhead. Notice that the water does not come properly from the showerhead. The showerhead does not spray water properly. This is the problem. Probably the holes of the showerhead are clogged. Let's gather the tools required for the job. Here, all we require is a wire brush. Let's start repairing. First of all, remove the shower head cap. In some cases, you might have to remove the entire shower head in order to clean it. Notice that the holes in this black cap are blocked with dirt. You are correct in diagnosing the cause of the problem. So, to remove the dirt, first wash and clean the cap. Now, with the wire brush, clean this cap. Notice that now the holes of this cap have all opened and there is no more dirt in it. Once clean, fix the cap back on the showerhead. To check whether it is functioning properly, now open the stopcock and watch the spray of water from the shower head. You can see that now the shower head is sending out a good shower of water. We have successfully unclogged a shower head.